In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Jobber quickly and efficiently, whether you're starting fresh or considering a new tool to streamline your operations. Jobber is a fantastic choice, offering a range of features to help you manage your business effectively. Let's dive into the setup process, which should take around 5 minutes. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Jobber website. This is your first step to accessing a powerful platform designed to make your work life easier. Once there, you'll see options to either start a free trial or dive right into choosing a subscription plan that best suits your business needs. If you're just getting started, the free trial is a great way to explore what Jobber has to offer without any commitment. Next, you'll be prompted to provide your email address and create a secure password. It's vital to choose a password that's strong yet memorable to protect your business information. With your email and password ready, you can now proceed to the initial setup phase. Here, you'll fill in your personal details, your name and phone number, as well as your company's crucial information to begin tailoring Jobber specifically to your business needs. As we move forward, you'll need to enter more detailed information about your company, such as its name, the industry you operate within, and your website if you have one. Take this opportunity to indicate your top business priorities. Whether you're aiming to operate more efficiently or focus on acquiring more customers, this information helps Jobber provide the best tools and support to meet your goals. You're now ready to access the settings section to start customizing your Jobber account. Here, you have the option to add your logo, which will personalize the look and feel of your Jobber interface, creating a cohesive brand experience for both you and your clients. To further tailor the platform to your needs, consider adding your team members. You can manage their roles and permissions, ensuring everyone has the right level of access to perform their duties effectively. This step is crucial as it empowers your team while maintaining control over the sensitive business data. Next, move on to configuring your email templates, text message settings, and automated reminders. Automation can save you time and effort while ensuring consistent communication with your clients. Follow this up by setting up different work types, job durations, and other business-specific preferences to streamline your scheduling and job management processes. Finally, take a moment to customize route settings, notifications, and various account-specific preferences to suit how you operate. Every business has unique needs, and these customizations are key to making Jobber work for you just the way you want it. And that's it, a comprehensive setup to get you started on Jobber. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your business operations with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in setting you up for success with Jobber.